pretty busy week downtown at the General Assembly. Bill filings continued, and we're tracking all of those for you. The sub-appropriation committees continue to meet as well. And the Senate is starting up discussion again of medical marijuana, and they're going to take a vote starting Tuesday of next week through the first committee. The House passed their Medicaid expansion bill. Now the Senate will have their own version, but in the meantime, the House version has made its way to the Senate with bipartisan support. Nothing has come up thus far as committee meetings for agriculture specifically, any sort of policy items there, but we will continue to track everything and keep you informed.